How to knit rib stitch with 2 colors. All you have to know how to do is knit and purl stitch. And you can see how pretty this pattern looks on the inside and outside of the hat. Almost like looks like a brioche, but it's not a brioche. It's just a simple 1x1 rib. So cast on required number of stitches. Here we're using thicker yarn for demonstration purposes only. Connect your first round. So knit stitch with color number 1 and connect your color number 2. You can weave in the ends later when you're done with this project. So we did a knit. Next stitch is a purl, and you're going to do the purl with color number 2. And we change the color. So the knits are done in color number 1. So here we have color number 1. Insert the needle, just the normal way that you do for a knit. Yarn over, pull it through the loop, and release. So here, take color number 1, put it in front for purl, and do the purl stitch. So move the yarn in the back, pick up color number 1, and do the knit stitch. And try to go slowly until you really get the hang of it. So, done with the knit, take color number 2, put it in front, purl, carefully put the yarn in the back, switch to color number 1, and then do a knit stitch. You want to make sure that the inside of the hat also looks nice and neat. Okay, now we're ready for color number 2. Put it in front, purl stitch. Okay, purl is done. Move the yarn to the back, pick up color number 1, and do a knit stitch. And just keep repeating, basically just keep repeating and follow your pattern. But that's how you do the 1x1 rib with 2 colors. And this is what your back is going to look like, or the inside rather of the hat. When you're done with your first round, second round is exactly the same. So here we are ready to start our round number 2. But same thing. So it starts with a knit stitch with color 1, knit. So here, what you saw I just did, I'm holding the second color with my left hand and first color with my right hand. I'm kind of combining a continental and American style of knitting in one. This way it goes a little bit faster. So if you would like a challenge, this is it. But if it looks confusing, don't worry, just follow what I did in the first round. But if you would like a challenge, just try holding one color in your left hand and the other color in your right and see how that goes.